Application converts binary to decimal conversion. So as you're able to see, we have 8 zeros, that is 1, 8 zeros, 7 zeros, and the last one is 1, or let's say 1, which is, if we convert it, that's 25. So simple as that. We have our the code that works as everything was done using React. Essentially, we created a function binary to decimal and set it the use case for empty string, so we capture everything. Then we would use a handler input change, so whenever the user enters any character, it handles all the inputs. So we are in here trimming all the binary input that is being having users input stored. For as you will see, the comment checks for the length. If it's it should be not 0 and it should not be more than 8. If it is, then please, it will prompt with this result. And also we have a validation that checks that it only accepts zeros and ones, and state that is the only characters that are allowed. And this is how the function works, the main logic, where it goes through the loop based on the length, and the main thing that you need to focus on is the digits multiplied by a math power of 2. So essentially 8 characters, and from the right side to the left side it has its positions, and all those positions get powered by 2, and that will provide us with the decimal results that will save it at the top right here in the line number 5. Then within React there is a function that's where we have a main component, and inside the main component, which is div, we include everything. So in this case, we have the header, we have the stylings and the main component, and we have the header that says binary to decimal conversion, and after that we have two input fields. One is what I have been adding for additional updates, but overall, based on the browser, our UI demo, we have only one component and one button, which on click is an event listener that brings us to the storing all the input into this binned variable, and essentially this gets converted. Hope that made sense.